Pivot tables in Excel is one of the most powerful tools. In this video, you will learn how to analyze Excel data with Excel pivot tables. We have the data set such that our data spans 3 years between the year 2017 and 2020. This is shipping data to 4 African countries, that is Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, and Rwanda. We have also shipping modes, which is standard class, same day, second day, and first class. We have the section of category or what we are shipping, and we have total sales and from that shipping. Each line represents an invoice. Now we have about 9,905 data sets. So to analyze your data with pivot tables, you can either give a name to your data or analyze it directly from here by going to insert, then insert pivot table. Like that. Then if you name your range, you can insert that name here. But because we did not name this range, we are going to use the orders from cell A1 to cell 09995. We're going to place our report on a new worksheet, but I'm not going to add this to the data model. Then I click OK. This takes us to the pivot table environment, where we have the pivot table here on column ABC, and we have the row headers from my data here. These are the row headers at the top. We'll use these fields to now analyze my data. For example, I want to analyze the total sales per month grouped by year. So I'll pick the order date and drop it to these fields where we have the filters, columns, values, and rows. I'll pick the order date to rows, then pick the sales column to values. Now, since we want total sales per month and the year, I'm going to group the years by right-clicking, then group it. Then I'll group this to months and years. Then I click OK. You could also do some formatting to your data so that we have subtotals, and also the year is in its own column. I'll go to Design, then create subtotals at the bottom of group. You can also do that at the top of group. So I'll have that at the bottom of group. Then insert blank line after each item and change the report layout to outline format. Here we'll have our pivot table with total sales per year grouped by the month. Thanks for watching.